Hi there, it's George here, and today I have to show you some good news. Germinated Albizia I grew from seed a month ago, and here we go. I saw about 5 seeds, and 2 of them germinated, so happy, and these are the first leaves. That is awesome, and after a few days started to germinate this as well. As you can see, more young and started to grow the first 2 leaves. Awesome, germinated in 1 month, but I forgot to water the soil at the time, and when I see in 1 day the soil very dry, and I watered, and after a week they started to germinate after I watered well. So now they are looking so beautiful and so happy that succeed to germinate, looking forward to grow more, and we'll see just how a new leaves will look like. And I have maybe to put a wooden support on this to grow well, that's it. And this plant blooming very truly amazing, just I will see when it will bloom. First it have to pass over winter. I heard that this resisting in winter time, but first it need to grow thicker, that's it. And after that I'm gonna plant it outside, and we'll see how it will grow in my case, and I will find a place to eat as well. So we're looking forward, and then we'll see, update how it will grow more. That's it. George was here. Bye bye.